A warm welcome to dear friends and students. This is Professor Rohit Shinde from Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Manmad. It gives me immense pleasure to present Molecular Orbital Theory Part 4. In the previous lecture, we have seen difference between atomic orbitals and molecular orbitals, difference between BMOs and ABMOs, rules for LCAO, and molecular orbital diagram of H2 plus ion, H2 molecule, He2 plus ion and He2 molecule. In this lecture, we will see MOT diagrams for homonuclear diatomic molecules of second row element. Second row element of periodic table consisting of the element from lithium to neon. These elements possess 1 2s and 3 2p orbitals. SS combination of atomic orbital forms sigma bond. PX-PX combination also forms sigma bond, while PY-PY and PZ-PZ combination forms pi bond because there is a sidewise or lateral overlapping. The overlap between 2s orbital gives 1 sigma s and 1 sigma star s molecular orbital. Overlap between PX-PX forms sigma px and sigma star px molecular orbitals. Overlap between py-py gives pi-py and pi star py molecular orbitals. The overlap between pz-pz atomic orbital forms pi-pz and pi star pz molecular orbitals. The pi-py and pi-pz and similarly pi star py and pi star pz have equivalent energy and hence they are said to be degenerate. Now let us commence our session with molecular orbital energy level diagram for lithium-2 molecule. Lithium molecule is formed by combination of two lithium atoms. Each lithium atom has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. The 1s orbital is lower in energy, so it does not take part in bonding. Only valence orbital, that is 2s orbital with its one electron, take part in bonding. Since there are two atomic orbitals of two lithium atoms, they will form two molecular orbital, that is sigma 2s bonding and sigma star 2s anti-bonding molecular orbitals. There are two electrons in both atomic orbitals which enter the bonding molecular orbital sigma 2s. While writing the molecular orbital electronic configuration of lithium molecule, the presence of non-bonding electron is shown by capital letter K because these two electrons are present in the first shell, that is K shell. Since there are two lithium atoms taking part in combination, so the letter K is repeated. The remaining two electrons are occupied in sigma 2s molecular orbital. So the molecular orbital electronic configuration of lithium twice molecule is written as Kk sigma 2s 2 sigma star 2s 0. It is not necessary to write sigma star 2s 0 as it doesn't contain any electron. Now we can calculate energy evolved. So the formula is the number of electrons in BMO into minus beta plus number of electrons in ABMO into plus beta. Number of electrons in BMO is equal to 2, while there is no electron present in the ABMO. So while putting the values, we will get the 2 into minus beta plus 0 into beta. It becomes minus 2 beta. So energy evolved during the formation of lithium-2 molecule is minus 2 beta, which is a stabilization energy. Bond order. Bond order can be defined as the number of bonds between the two atoms is called as a bond order. It can be calculated using the formula 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So 1/2 in bracket 2 minus 0, it becomes 1. Bond order 1 indicates that one bond is present between the two lithium atoms in the Li2 molecule. Magnetic nature of Li2 molecule. Since all the electrons are paired in Li2 molecule, the Li2 molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Now let us see MOT diagram for B2 molecule. This molecule is formed by combination of two beryllium atoms. Each beryllium atom has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. The 1s orbital is lower in energy, so it does not take part in bonding. Hence, 1s orbital remains a non-bonding orbital. Only the valence orbital, that is 2s orbital with its 2 electron, take part in bonding. Since there are 2 atomic orbitals of 2 beryllium, they will form 2 molecular orbital. One is sigma 2s and another one is a sigma star 2s. Filling of electron takes place by following Abbaug's principle and Hund's rule of maximum spin multiplicity. The first 2 electrons are occupied in sigma 2s bonding molecular orbital. Next 2 electrons are occupied in sigma star 2s antibonding molecular orbital, as shown in this diagram. While writing the molecular orbital electronic configuration for this molecule, for the 1s2 electrons of each beryllium atom, a letter K is written. The molecular orbital electronic configuration for this molecule is KK, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Both in sigma 2s and sigma star 2s, 2 electrons are present each. Now, let us calculate energy evolved. Energy evolved is equal to number of electrons in BMO, that is 2, into minus beta, plus number of electrons in ABMO, that is again 2 into plus beta. So minus beta into 2 plus 2 into beta, it becomes 0. Hence, stabilization energy is 0. Bond order, it can be calculated by using this formula, 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. Both possess 2 electrons. So 1/2 in bracket 2 minus 2, it becomes 0. Since the bonding energy as well as bond order are 0, hence B2 molecule does not exist. Let us see molecular orbital energy level diagram for B2 molecule. This molecule is formed by combination of 2 boron atoms. Each boron atom has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Here the 1s orbital is lower in energy, so it will not take part in bonding. Hence 1s orbital remains as a non-bonding orbital. The 2 2s and 6 2p orbitals of 2 boron atoms means total 8 atomic orbitals forms 8 molecular orbital. If less than or equal to 14 electrons are present in a molecule, then the sequence of energy levels of molecular orbital is as shown in this diagram. In this molecular orbital diagram, sp interaction takes place, and hence sigma 2px is having a higher energy than the pi 2py and pi 2pz molecular orbitals. While writing the molecular orbital electronic configuration of B2 molecule, for the 1s2 electrons of each boron atom, a letter K is written. Then the remaining 6 electrons, that is 3 electrons from each boron atom, are filled into the molecular orbital by following the Abbaug's principle and Hund's rule of maximum spin multiplicity. The first 2 electrons are filled in sigma 2s molecular orbital. Next 2 electrons are occupied in sigma star 2s molecular orbital. The remaining 2 electrons are occupied into the pi 2py and pi 2pz molecular orbitals with parallel spins. It means similar spins. These 2 orbitals are equal in energy and hence they are degenerate. This diagram shows molecular orbital energy level diagram for B2 molecule. Now, molecular orbital electronic configuration for this molecule can be written as Kk, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py1, pi 2pz1. So for 1s, letter k is written. Since there are two 1s orbitals of 2 boron, we have written kk. Then sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py1 and pi 2pz1. This is the molecular orbital electronic configuration for B2 molecule. Let us calculate energy evolved. Energy evolved is equal to number of electrons in BMO into minus beta plus number of electrons in ABMO into plus beta. So let us calculate total number of electrons in BMO. So 2 electrons plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So there are total 4 electrons in BMO and only 2 electrons are there in ABMO. So 4 into minus beta plus 2 into plus beta. So minus 4 beta plus 2 beta becomes minus 2 beta. So energy evolved during the formation of B2 molecule is minus 2 beta, which is a stabilization energy. Bond order. The number of bonds between the two atoms is nothing but the bond order. So it can be calculated by using this formula, 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So 1/2 in bracket 4 minus 2. It becomes 1/2 multiplied by 2. It means 1. Bond order 1 indicates that there is presence of one bond between the two atoms of B2 molecule, magnetic nature. So let us see diagram. So according to this diagram, there are two unpaired electrons present in B2 molecule. One is in the pi 2py, another one is in pi 2pz. So these two pi electrons are unpaired in the pi molecular orbitals, and hence B2 molecule is paramagnetic in nature. Let us see MOT diagram for C2 molecule. So C2 molecule is formed by combination of two carbon atoms. Each carbon atom has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. The 1s orbital is lower in energy, so it does not take part in bonding. Hence, the 1s orbital remains as a non-bonding orbital. Only the 2s and 2p orbitals with their electron take part in bonding. The two 2s and 6 2p orbitals, it means total 8 atomic orbitals form 8 molecular orbitals. While writing the molecular orbital electronic configuration of C2 molecule, for the 1s2 electrons of each carbon atom, a letter K is written. The remaining 8 electrons are filled into the molecular orbitals by following Abbou's principle and Hund's rule of maximum spin multiplicity. So this diagram shows molecular orbital energy level diagram for C2 molecule. So out of 8, first 2 electrons are occupied in sigma 2s, next 2 electrons are occupied in sigma star 2s, and remaining 4 electrons are occupied in pi 2py and pi 2pz orbitals, and these are the bonding molecular orbitals. So the molecular orbital for this molecule can be written as Kk for the 2 1s orbital of both the carbon atoms. So Kk sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py2 and pi 2pz2. So it is shown here. The molecular orbital electronic configuration of C2 molecule is Kk sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2. Let us calculate energy evolved. So total number of bonding molecular orbital electrons are 2 plus 2 plus 2. 6 electrons are there in BMO, while 2 electrons are there in ABMO. So 6 into minus beta plus 2 into beta, it becomes minus 4 beta. So energy evolved during formation of C2 molecule is minus 4 beta, which is a stabilization energy. Bond order. So 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So 1/2 in bracket 6 minus 2. So 1/2 in bracket 4. So it becomes 2. So bond order 2 indicates that 2 bonds are formed between the 2 carbon atoms in case of C2 molecule. Magnetic nature. Since all the electrons are paired in C2 molecule, so this molecule is diamagnetic. So let us see diagram once again. All the electrons present in molecular orbital are paired, and hence C2 molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Now let us see MOT diagram for N2 molecule. N2 molecule is formed by combination of 2 nitrogen atoms. Each nitrogen has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. The 1s orbital is lower in energy, so it does not take part in bonding, and hence 1s orbital remain as non-bonding orbital. Only the 2s and 2p orbitals with their electrons take part in bonding. The 2 2s orbitals and 6 2p orbitals of 2 nitrogen atoms, that is total 8 atomic orbital combine, and they form 8 molecular orbital. So in a case of N2 molecule, 7 plus 7, total 14 electrons are there. If less than or equal to 14 electrons are present in a molecule, then the sequence of energy levels of molecular orbital is as shown in this diagram. In this molecular orbital diagram, sp interaction takes place, and hence sigma 2px is having higher energy than the degenerate molecular orbital, that is pi 2py and pi 2pz. While writing the electronic configuration of N2 molecule, for the 1s2 electrons of each nitrogen atom, a letter K is written. Remaining 10 electron, 5 electron of each nitrogen. So remaining 10 electron are filled in molecular orbital by following the Abbou's principle and Hund's rule of maximum spin multiplicity. This diagram shows the molecular orbital energy level diagram for N2 molecule. Out of 10, first 2 electrons are occupied in sigma 2s, next 2 electrons are occupied in sigma star 2s, that is ABMO. Next 4 electrons are occupied in pi 2py and pi 2pz. And out of 10, 8 electrons we have already filled, remaining 2 electron goes in sigma 2px. In this way, electrons are filled into the molecular orbital. So we can write molecular orbital electronic configuration as kk, first k for the first 1s orbital of first nitrogen, and second k for another 1s orbital of another nitrogen. So kk sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz 2, and sigma 2px 2. So this is the molecular orbital electronic configuration of N2 molecule. Kk sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, and sigma 2px 2. Here energy evolved can be calculated by using this formula. So first we will calculate total number of electrons in BMO. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8. So 8 electrons are there in BMO, while 2 electrons are there in ABMO. So 8 into minus beta plus 2 into beta, it becomes minus 6 beta. So energy evolved during the formation of N2 molecule is minus 6 beta, which is a stabilization energy. Bond order is equal to 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. 1/2 in bracket 8 minus 2, it becomes 3. So bond order 3 indicates that there is presence of 3 bond between the 2 nitrogen atoms of N2 molecule. Now magnetic nature. Let us see diagram first. If we observe this diagram, all the electron present in molecular orbital are paired, and due to this N2 molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Now let us see molecular orbital energy level diagram for O2 molecule. O2 molecule is formed by combination of two oxygen atoms. Each oxygen atom has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. The 1s orbital is lower in energy, so it does not take part in the bonding, and hence the 1s orbital remains as a non-bonding orbital. Only the 2s and 2p orbitals with their electron take part in bonding. The two 2s orbitals and 6 2p orbitals, it means total 8 atomic orbital forms 8 molecular orbitals. In case of O2 molecule, there are 8 plus 8, 16 electrons present in a O2 molecule. If more than 14 electrons are there in a molecule, the sequence of energy levels of molecular orbital is different, as we have seen in the previous example. In such case, there is no sp interaction, and hence sigma 2px has lower energy than the pi 2py, pi 2pz degenerate molecular orbital. While writing the molecular orbital electronic configuration of O2 molecule, for the 1s2 of each oxygen atom, a letter K is written. The remaining 12 electrons, 6 electrons from each oxygen atom, occupy the molecular orbitals by following Abbou's principle and Hund's rule of maximum spin multiplicity. This diagram shows molecular orbital energy level diagram for O2 molecule. The first 2 electrons go to the sigma 2s bonding molecular orbital. Next 2 electrons are occupied in sigma star 2s anti-bonding molecular orbital. After this, 2 electrons go to the sigma 2px BMO, and next 4 electrons goes to the pi 2py and pi 2pz bonding molecular orbital. Those are the degenerate molecular orbitals. The last 2 electrons occupy the anti-bonding pi star molecular orbital. One electron goes into the pi star 2py, while other goes into the pi star 2pz molecular orbital, and these electrons are having a parallel spin. So molecular orbital electronic configuration can be written as, for 1s of both, kk word is written kk sigma 2s 2, sigma star 2s 2, sigma 2px 2, pi 2py 2, pi 2pz 2, pi star 2py 1 and pi star 2pz 1. So this is the molecular orbital electronic configuration of O2 molecule. So let us calculate energy evolved. Energy evolved is equal to number of electrons in BMO into minus beta plus number of electrons in ABMO into plus beta. So first we will calculate total number of electrons in BMO. So where star is not written, those molecular orbital are the bonding molecular orbital. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, total 8 electrons are there in BMO, while 2 plus 1 plus 1, total 4 electrons are there in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So let us put values: 8 into minus beta plus 4 into plus beta. Minus 8 beta plus 4 beta becomes minus 4 beta, and hence energy evolved during formation of O2 molecule is minus 4 beta, which is a stabilization energy. Let us calculate bond order. Bond order is given by 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So 1/2 in bracket 8 minus 4. So 1/2 in bracket 4, it becomes 2. So bond order 2 indicates that there is presence of 2 bonds between the 2 oxygen atoms of O2 molecule. magnetic nature. Since there are two unpaired electrons in the pi star molecular orbital, O2 molecule is paramagnetic. Let us see diagram. So there are two unpaired electrons, one in pi star 2py and one in pi star 2pz. If molecule possesses a pi electron, then the molecule becomes paramagnetic, and due to these two unpaired electrons, O2 molecule is paramagnetic. According to VBT, oxygen molecule should be diamagnetic, but in practice it is a paramagnetic. Molecular orbital theory can explain the paramagnetism of oxygen molecule, and that's why molecular orbital theory is superior than the valence bond theory. Now let us see effect of number of electrons in the anti-bonding molecular orbitals on bond length in diatomic species of oxygen. So in case of oxygen molecule, its electronic configuration can be written as in this way: Kk sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, pi star 2py1 and pi star 2pz1. This is the MO electronic configuration of O2 molecule. So O2 plus, O2, O2 minus and O2, 2 minus. These are the diatomic species of oxygen atoms. With change in number of electrons in pi star molecular orbitals, the bond order and bond length both are changed. So let us see molecular orbital electronic configuration of O2 plus ion. O2 plus ion is formed when one electron is removed from O2 molecule. So one electron is lost from this pi star 2pz. So molecular orbital electronic configuration becomes like this: pi star 2pz 0. In case of superoxide ion, that is O2 minus ion, O2 minus ion has one electron more than O2 molecule. So its electronic configuration can be written as Kk sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, and here is the change: pi star 2py2 and pi star 2pz1. In case of peroxide ion, that is O2 2 minus ion, pi star 2py2 and pi star 2pz2. Both the anti-bonding molecular orbital, those are degenerate, are fully filled. Here bond order decreases as the number of electrons in pi anti-bonding molecular orbital increases. O2 plus ion has bond order 2.5. In O2 molecule we have seen bond order is 2. In case of O2 minus ion, that is a superoxide ion, bond order is 1.5. While in O2 2 minus ion, that is peroxide ion, bond order is 1. So as the bond order decreases, bond length increases. So bond length of these diatomic species of oxygen are as follows: O2 plus ion has 1.12 angstrom unit, O2 possesses 1.21 angstrom unit, O2 minus ion has bond length 1.26 angstrom, and O2 2 minus ion has bond length 1.49 angstrom unit. So as the bond becomes weaker, the bond length increases. So this is the effect of number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals on bond lengths in diatomic species of oxygen atom. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In next video lecture, we will see MOT diagram for F2 molecule, MOT diagram for Na2 molecule, and molecular orbitals in heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Thank you.